Greetings. Welcome. Yes, all are welcome. Well, gather round. Come closer. Don't be afraid. I am the caretaker. Do you feel that? It's just a distant memory of some old Halloween past. Speaking of the past, you're here for the pumpkin tree, yes? Yes? You do know what a pumpkin tree is, don't you? Why, yes, this is a pumpkin tree. It's a very special type of tree, for it only blooms one night of the year, on Halloween. Deep within its dark, gnarled branches hold the remnant spirits of Halloween memories gone past. Look at all the beautiful pumpkins. But look closely, for these pumpkins are not mere pumpkins. Each has a face sliced into it. Each nose a weird nose. Each mouth smiles in some new way. Dozens of smiles and double the amount of freshly cut eyes. All from your imagination. But it is not quite finished. No, there is something missing. We need to wake it up. Now for that, we need the perfect spooky atmosphere. And the best way to do that is with a story. A ghost story. And it just so happens I have a particularly spooky one in mind. My favorite is the legend of Spooky Hollow. One cold October night, a certain Dutchman by the name of Ichabod Crane was making his way back home to the nearby hollow. His path led him past Sleepy Hollow Cemetery. A headless Hessian soldier was buried. Ichabod came into view of the graveyard at midnight. It was a dark night with no moon, and the only light he had was from his lantern. Ichabod was nervous about passing the graveyard, remembering the rumors of the galloping ghosts that he had heard. He stumbled along, whistling to himself to keep up his courage. Suddenly, Ichabod's eye was caught by a mysterious white light rising from the grounds of the cemetery. He stopped, his heart pounding in fear. Suddenly, before his startled eyes, a white mist burst forth from an unmarked grave and formed the shape of a large horse with a headless rider. Ichabod let out a terrified scream as the horse leapt towards him at full gallop. Ichabod turned on his heels and he ran as fast as he could towards the nearest bridge, for he knew that evil ghosts and spirits did not care for running water. Ichabod turned just in time to see the horseman launch a large flaming pumpkin towards him. Ichabod was never seen again. The horseman still roams the roads of Tarrytown on dark nights from that day to this. Luckily for us, the horseman can't swim. Or can he? Now that wasn't too spooky, was it? Was it? Just enough to get the hearts pumping. Well, now that we have the perfect spooky atmosphere, I say it's the perfect time to wake up the tree. Don't be afraid. Let's call out to it together and see what happens. Are you ready? Spirit of the pumpkin tree, wake up and talk to us, for it is time for Halloween. Wake up, wake up, wake up, say it with me, wake up, wake up, wake up.
Greetings, my fresh faces and innocent eyes. You are all here for fun and surprise. Look at all of you. What a wonderful sight. But don't be scared. I want smiles, not fright. So rise up your voices. Let me hear a loud scream, for that is what is needed to summon Halloween.
Everybody scream!
Your sense of revenge. Give me a laugh to rattle the dead. The Halloween spirits are close. This I can feel. Scream trick or treat, and let's finish the deal.
Say trick or treat!
By the pricking of my thumbs, something wicked this way comes. Here tonight, for all to hear, the truest sound of ghoulish cheer. Witches' laughter and ghoulish growls. Zombies, monsters on the prowl. Bring the power of nightmares unseen. Bring them to life. It's Halloween!
Boys and girls of every age, would you like to see something strange? Nothing new to me. It's our world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween, this is Halloween.